Hey, I'm Wyatt, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to make your first waitlist on Flycatcher using Flycatcher as an example. So from my homepage, I'm just going to go right here, create a new project called Flycatcher, click on that, and then this is where you can customize stuff like images, text, branding, colors, really anything you would want. In my case, since I'm using Flycatcher as an example, most of this is going to remain basically the same. I'll change my accent color right there to a nice little purple. And then maybe I'll change the title of my page. So we'll change it to Hello Flycatcher. There we go. Metadata. This is where you change, your tab title, your fav icon for your brand. I'm going to leave it the same because this is Flycatcher preview image. I am going to upload one, and I recommend that you do the same because it looks really good. This is kind of a preview or a render of what your product actually looks like, so users can see, kind of what you're doing. Logo, it's going to remain the same for me. This is where you can do custom links, so I'll just make a couple dummy links, and they go right up here under your waitlist, your join button. So there we go. That was a pretty fast setup. We'll save that, and then this is how waitlists actually work on Flycatcher. So you get this link, you can post it wherever you want, and then your users will navigate to it and they can sign up for your product. We'll open it in a new tab, and I'll actually go ahead and just sign up. So join waitlist. There you go. And I'll go to contacts, refresh the page, and there's the email I just typed in. So you can copy it, you can delete it, and we'll actually go to analytics, get a little more information about this. Here, analytics, you can see we have visitors, signups, we have a 50% conversion rate. Maybe that's a little unrealistic, perhaps. And then you can see that all of our visitors have been desktop. And I'll actually go on my phone real quick and visit the page. I'll refresh these stats. And there you go. Now you can see that one of our visitors, the one I just did, is mobile. All of our signups are desktop. And we have one total contact. So that's great. Let's say we want to send an email to that single contact. Well, we would do it with the campaign editor. Flycatcher's email editor is block-based. So we're going to go click Add Block. We're going to do a header, a dividing line, maybe an image, and a little bit of text. And we'll add a button as well. There we go. As you can see, it imports the colors from our waitlist page. This image is orange, but if I wanted to change it, I would just go Image Manager, would upload one. We'll use the same image we used on the actual waitlist page. So we're going to upload that. And this is going to give us a little link we can use in our email, and that's a CDN link that'll make sure that our image is properly distributed to anyone that opens our email. And we're just going to change it right there. So we put the link in, and there you go. Uploads our image. We can change, weekly update. Maybe we don't want to do a weekly update. Maybe we're doing a launch announcement or something. And then we could make the URL for the button go to wherever we want. And then you can send a test email. That's going to send it to yourself. Or you can go and send the real deal, the campaign, to all of your subscribers.